Hey everyone, Jason Hill here, and today I'm going to be testing out this Nexgrill Revelry 4-burner with a smoker box. This is the first grill in Nexgrill's new lineup of Revelry products, and you can get it for under $600 at your local Home Depot. The Revelry 4-burner is made up of premium materials, including polished stainless steel on the outside and a speckled porcelain steel on the interior. It has 614 square inches of cooking surface and puts out a total of 60,000 total BTUs of heat. The Revelry 4-burner also has a built-in smoker box where you can easily add wood chips and smoky flavor to everything you grill. The grill is set up for propane, and what I like about this, when you're loading your propane tank, it has this little shelf that pops out so you can easily put your tank on. I'm going to go ahead and get it on there. And that locks into place when you slide it back in. There's a little lock right here. And this is cool too. This holds your propane tank in there nice and sturdy. The grill has a AA battery operated electronic starter, which makes ignition quick and easy. The grill also comes with a couple of tool holders and a handy dandy bottle opener. And another cool thing, it has this side burner. Fires right up nice and easy. So that way you can heat up your beans or your glaze or whatever you want. All right, Nexgrill also offers accessories you can buy separately. I like this little cool digital thermometer. It has a magnet, sticks to the side of the grill. And then when you open it up, it turns on automatically. And you got a basting brush, a spatula, tongs, and then of course the ever important grill cleaner. I'm a big advocate on cleaning my grill after every use. And the grill also has a nice little grease trap. You'll have to clean that out whenever you get too much in there. And the grill also has 4 heavy-duty casters for easy rolling, and one of them so you can lock it in place. Well guys, I must say my first cookout on the Nexgrill was a huge success. It really performs very well. I like how it maintains the temperature. I like the easy lighting. I like the smoker box feature. That's really cool to get that smokiness on your food. And like I said, I also like the way the propane tank slides out nice and easy. It's a great grill, great value. Like I said, you can get them at Home Depot for under $600. I got mine in a box, had to put it together. Wasn't very hard. Instructions were super easy. So yeah, I recommend this grill if you guys are in a market for getting a new one. And as always, thanks for tuning in.